what's up guys, welcome to our anything channel. Today my big brother is going to show you how to make a cube step by step. He was having a YouTube channel but he deleted it. Before we start our video, I want to tell you that this video's target is 1000 subscribers and 500 likes. And if you want us to make how to solve cube in Hindi, then please like and subscribe our channel. Anyways, without wasting our time, let's start our video.
Hello, I am Adesh, big brother, and now you can see that this cube is solved. Now I will scramble it. So let's scramble. So as you can see, I have scrambled it. So let's start our video. So for making this cube, first we have to see where is white centerpiece. So there is a white centerpiece and its opposite there is yellow centerpiece, and you have to see this that your centerpiece will have to be correct. Like blue opposite will be green, and red opposite should be orange. Like that, yellow opposite should be white. So let's make the cube. So for making this cube, first we have to see that here is yellow, and we have to make a white daisy. Means here should be also white, here should be also white, here also, and here also. I generally make from yellow and white, and many YouTubers also. So let's start. So let's make the white daisy. You have to make this daisy by using your own common sense. I can't teach you because it is on your cube how it can make. But I am making. So after this, you have to see that here is red color, here is blue, here is orange, and here is green. So first any color you take and match it from its centerpiece. So this is green color, I will match it from a green centerpiece. So as you can see, I have matched, and I have to turn 180 degree. Means two times I have to turn like this, 1 2. Then second also, here orange has matched. If your is not matched, then no problem, you can match and do like this, 1 2. Then here also blue is matched, 1 2, and here red also matched, so 1 2. As you can see here, white daisy has means here is a white cross. Now here is white color, and here is red. Now I have to match this red color and white. You have to remember that here should be white and here should be red. I should match this red corner piece to red center piece. So let's match. So this is matched with red center piece, and here is white. So now we have to do like this. In this way he is going like this. So we have to do this as left side, and up. We have to make this down, and then side, then up. Like that only we have to do. Here is red matched, and this way he is going. Then like this, down, this side, and upwards. Then orange centerpiece, like that only. This is orange, I have matched with orange. Here is white. So like this, we have to make it right side, down, side, and then up. Like that only we have to do. There is white. So there is no white in upwards, then I bring it to downwards from up. So now this is matched with blue, corner piece to blue centerpiece. Now this like this, which I've teased, and this. So you can see here that your first layer is solved. So we are solving layer by layer. So I have teased first layer, then second layer. Here is green, and here is orange. So find where is orange in this. First we have to make this middle one to green centerpiece, green one to green centerpiece, and orange we should do like this. Then this one cube we have to bring here. So for this we have to do it in opposite direction, like this. Here is orange, then here is orange, then we have to do it opposite direction, like this. Then this one, this side is orange, then this down, this left side like that, and this upwards. Then again, which I have in first layer which I have done, then it's left downwards, right upwards. So see, here is the green and here is orange, simple. And next also we have to do like that for till second layer is solved. We have to do like that only. So red is it side up, right down. Now you can see that a second layer is solved, as you can see. Sorry. So as you can see, second layer is solved. Then third layer, for that in down in yellow you can see that there has become an L. So this L will start from right side to our side, like this. It should come on our side. So we have to do this as right. This is a process. So next after this up, then we in left side we have to move like this, then it downwards, then this rightwards, and here is white, then downwards. So as you can see, there has become a straight line, you can see, yes. And we have to move like this, and we have to same process we have to repeat. Right, up, left, down, left, then down. Then you can see there has become white yellow cross. And then after that we have to see that which color is matching, means like first you have to match blue. See, if blue has matched, then green has matched. Sorry, that was my fault. Like this will your this cross will be here, and now you have to match. Like red I have matched, then nothing has matched. See, here also, and here also. Now next blue I have matched, then nothing else. Then orange, let's try again. Orange, then when I have matched orange, then green also here. So this we have to do like this. Green means green should be here, and orange should be your any color we will match, then don't mind. Then like this we have to take, and up 2 times like this, down, up, down, this side. Then after that you can see that my one color has matched. If you are not matched, then I'm telling that how to do. Then you can see red here, you can, and yellow is enough, but blue is hasn't here. Then next also here orange is not, but this is solved, but here also the red is not here, you can see. then which is solved. If you have not solved, then you can try it from any side, but I have solved. Then the solved one I have to take in right side and do like this. And you can also do, if your nothing is solved, any side you can do like this, up 2 times like this, then again up and side, and sorry, 1 second.
One.
And you can see that I want to tell that here is solved. Then like this is the process, like this, up, side, down, this side, down, this. And you can see that this is solved, this is also solved. And you can get this type, that this is blue, red, and there is a yellow. Then this is green, red, and yellow. So after that this is my solved, which is fully solved. Like this, we have to take in left, that one, and do like this process. Up 2 times, down 1 time, up 1 time, down, like that only. From another side you have to do until the cube will not solve. You can do this process only. So as you can see, my fully cube is solved.
Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe, like and share it. I will meet you in our next video. Bye guys.